How easy can you draw this disk in Tensor? This is quite easy. Let's draw it up. We will start drawing this rectangle below by moving to the rectangle, and we will enter a width of 100 and a height of 20, and our reference point will be in the middle. So there's our rectangle. We will deselect the rectangle. We will now draw these two vertical lines. So we look at the diameter of 20, we would draw a line at -10 and the second one at +10. We can then select our rectangle and use this to trim to. So there are our two lines. We can select the rectangle and we would break the elements on the intersection points. So we intersected the lines. We can now deselect these two lines and we can move to draw dimensions not but hatch. We can enter a distance for the hatch lines, the angle of the hatching in layer hatch, for example. Not necessary, but it might give you some advantage later on by selecting them. Okay, the attributes of these hatch lines we can define in contour and will be green. So we click on OK. We can then, just to have a proper drawing, reorganize all these elements. So you can see these three elements will be reorganized into one element. There it is. We can define the top view of the disk, for example 100 in Y, and our radius is 50. Okay, and the second arc is 20, so radius 10. We can then easily define the center lines at x0 and at y 100 and alter these attributes into the color blue and center lines. Okay, so there's our top view. Now we need to dimension our drawing. Select this line, move to dimensions single, the quick key E. There's our 20. If I select this line and hit on the E key on my keyboard, there's 100, and I will deselect everything and hit on the E. So now Tensor will ask me to define 2 points, this point and that point. So that gives me a value of 20. I can now move the dimensions to a different position. For example, at this position, view all, and there's my drawing. So it's fairly easy to draw this product in Tensor. Try to do this yourselves and move on to the next exercise.